You know, it's raining outside, and I just thought to myself, why don't I gossip with you? So मैं आ गई हूँ more controversial, more spicy gossips लेके. Are you ready? So let's get started. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Drama Diary, where we sip the hottest tea while spilling some secrets. So, today's episode, of course, you know by the title of it, it's another gossip session. Are you ready? I don't think you're ready for this. It's a so spicy one. It's controversial also. It's spicy, it's juicy. Okay, so let's get started without delaying much. So, ये I think it was in the year 2023 Diwali time, and मेरे घर में, as I'm Bengali, though I'm Bengali, my mother does these small rituals, you know, like ऐसे लक्ष्मी पूजा, दिया जलाना घर के सामने and all, everything, like लक्ष्मी माँ को स्नान कराना, everything she does that on that day. So as usual she was doing that in our ठाकुर घर, बंगाली में जो ठाकुर घर, ऐसे पूजा कर रही थी. And then suddenly I get this and I was scrolling my phone like ऐसे nonchalantly ऐसे परी होके बेड पे, इसी रूम में yeah. So I was just scrolling down like ऐसे my phone. Then suddenly I get this notification from a really, like, for notification जब मिला तो I didn't know who he was. Okay, I just opened it and I saw it's a blue tick guy. It's a blue tick person. Okay, and I was like, okay, like, why does this person's texting? Like, why does this texting me suddenly? Like, why? Like, me, why? So I opened the chat. It was in my message request back then. So I opened the chat and I saw कि he's texted me कि hey, I found you on this certain dating app, and I found you really pretty, so can we connect here? I was thinking like that, is his like उसका account क्या hack हो चुका है कि he's texting me? Also because like I thought this because of another experience I had, which I will be sharing on some other episode. Yeah, so I thought कि उसका account hack हो चुका है क्या? I'm like I just went to his profile and I checked कि hack का मतलब सब post है या normal है या and all है, सब ठीक है. Then I googled his name and search कि इसका account hack हो चुका है, ऐसे कुछ news है या नहीं. No, सब ठीक है. Then I went to search him on Facebook. कैसा हुआ, like हो सकता है कि Facebook में वो कोई story दे कि my profile was hacked and all. No, nothing, no sign was there, and everything was normal. So I accepted his like message request on in Insta, and I said कि yeah, say hello, hi. She said कि you know what, I texted you on this app, the app, but you didn't reply me there. I said कि oh, actually I don't use it much, like I really open it and all, like yeah. So he said कि oh, it's okay, we are connected here, can we connect here, right? Yeah, sure, we can connect here, of course. तो ऐसे I think 2-3 मिनट तक normal. और एक बात, इसके पहले like before getting the notification only, my mother had summoned me कि अरे महारानी जी आइए हम दिया लगाएंगे. पर हम तो महारानी हैं. If you ask me to be there somewhere by 5 o'clock, of course I will be so much time conscious that I will be there by 6 o'clock. Yeah, I'm that conscious. So मुझे मम्मी ने बुलाया था आधा घंटा पहले कि अरे आ जा, दिया जलाना है. एंड लाइक हाँ आ रही अरे, तभी नोटिफिकेशन भी आ गया. आई वाज हुक्ड कि हाँ, व्हाई इज इट टेक्स्टिंग मी एंड ऑल. आई वाज हुक्ड. मैं भूल भी गई कि मम्मी मुझे बुला रही थी. तो कट टू द चेस कि ऐसे जब टेक्स्ट हो रहा था उसके साथ. सो ही सेड कि अरे व्हाट यू डू, एंड लाइक फॉर्मल जो बातें होती है कि व्हाट लाइक वेयर डू यू स्टे, व्हाट यू डू, व्हाट इज योर पैशन, व्हाट इज योर इंटरेस्ट, ब्ला ब्ला ब्लैक शिप ऐसे. देन मुद्दे पे आते कि देन ही आस्क्ड मी कि यू नो नेक्स्ट मंथ लाइक दिसंबर में आई विल बी इन कोलकाता फॉर माई वन शो, फॉर माई स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन शो. ओके, मैंने तो वो बोला ही नहीं कि ये कौन था. Idiot girl. Okay, after certain research I got to know this, like by seeing a photo only I got to know this, that he is a very very well known, like of course I can't disclose his identity, I'm sorry, but he's a very well known, very famous face on Instagram reels for his stand up comedies. Very 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 famous. Like I didn't know his name, but of course I knew his face. Okay, and he's very very famous on Instagram reels and other thing. Like you all know him as a good stand-up comedian. Okay, I can't give you a hint also. पता चल जाएगा, ठीक है जाएगा. तो he said कि हाँ, for a show I will be there like in December, so you can come and attend my show, and after that we can meet. And yeah, sure, like of course if we stay in connect, like if we are in contact by then of course we will be meeting. So ऐसे बात हो रहा था. सडनली ही सेड कि लाइक मेरा ब्रेकअप हो चुका है, कुछ महीने पहले बोला था या कुछ हफ्ते पहले, आई डोंट रिमेंबर द प्रिसाइज टाइम पीरियड. ही सेड एंड कि ओके हो सकता है. ओके, देन ही सेड कि व्हाट मेड यू ओपन द सर्टेन डेटिंग ऐप एंड ऑल, कि आई वाज बोर्ड एंड ऑल, ऐसे उससे बात कर रहे थे. देन सडनली ही सेज मी, कैन वी एक्सचेंज नंबर? एंड थैंक गॉड माय माताश्री अगेन कॉल्ड मी. अरे यार अभी एक बार लाइक अभी तो जाना है भाई. यू नो व्हाट, कैन आई जस्ट बी बैक आफ्टर 15 or 10 minutes ऐसे. कि यार श्योर. आई जस्ट रश्ड एंड दिया लगा हुआ. फिर आई एम बैक अगेन इसी बिस्तर पे ऐसे फ़ोन लेकर ला. ओह माय गॉड, विथ अ सस्पिशियस माइंड. I always had trust issues. Trust me. That day also I had trust issues. जो of course सच हुआ लास्ट में. Okay, so I came back and I just texting कि हाँ बोलो. तो बोला कि can we just exchange numbers? I said कि back then I had this common dialogue for every guy who used to ask for my number, is that I'm not a call person and I don't use my WhatsApp much. Yeah. So I said same dialogue I delivered. I don't use the WhatsApp and I'm not a call person, so can we just stay here only? I'm comfortable here. I'm an Insta person. He said, okay, actually I'm not an Insta person, so can we just shift to somewhere else because I'm not really comfortable here. And okay, like comfortable नहीं बोला तो ठीक है चलो कौन से ऐप में बोलो. तो he said कि like we can be on Snapchat. अब उस टाइम में 23 में आई हैड द ऐप द स्नैपचैट, बट आई डिडंट यूज इट मच. मतलब I don't know, like nothing about the Snapchat really gave me, like made me interested in that back then. Ki selfies and all, like I didn't much. So I'm like, I really use that app and all. He said ki no, it's okay. I'm very much active there, so please let's go there, let's chat there. I said okay. Do I often open, like not often, like really I open the app? I said okay. So I went there and just we connected there. Like he sent me the request that ID कुछ भेजना होता है तो ID भेजा. तो ऐसे we got connected there. Then he, of course, we like he said hi, I said hello and all. We just started. Then after I think 2 or 3 texts, he started flirting with me. Okay, not in a normal way of flirting, but in a very much type of flirting. And I was like, beta आओ, अब आया ना उठ पहाड़ के नीचे, क्या इंटेंशन था तुम्हारा? I was like, and I was like, I started acting like innocent. Like I started, like no matter how much he started making that conversation in that direction, and I was so precisely and so stubbornly decided to turn the conversation to the normal, formal and very sweet direction. So he started flirting. In one lines he's flirting and texting me some spicy texts, and I was like, no, what do? Do you really like night or morning day? I started acting like a fool. Yeah. Then after I think 10 or 15 minutes उसका मेल ईगो हर्ट हो चुका था कि यार इतना ट्राई कर रहा हूँ फिर भी वो शी इज़ नॉट लाइक फॉलोइंग माई पाथ एंड एंटरिंग दैट कन्वर्सेशन. सो उसका मेल ईगो बोलने लगा कि अरे रितिका, व्हाई आर यू सो बोरिंग? I said, me boring or are you boring? Because I don't know why you're just texting me some rubbish things. Like why suddenly? Why? It's so boring. Like as if nothing interesting here, nothing new. He said, oh, you're insulting me. ऐसे करके बात चलता रहा. And trust me, flirting से सीधा चला आया पूरा डिबेट में. एकदम जो फाइट हुआ, जो इंसल्ट्स हुआ, he started insulting me out of his male ego and I started insulting him back because वो समझता क्या है कि I have to like agree with him and talk to him in that manner and satisfy him on his texts. Whatever. And I was like, you know what, तेरा intention पता चल चुका है, like just निकल, हो गया खत्म. लेकिन oh you're rude and all. I'm rude. Yes, I'm rude. होंगी मैं rude. Whatever. तो ऐसे बोलता रहा. फिर then वो and then he just blocked me on that Snapchat and I just blocked him also. Then suddenly he texts me on Instagram saying, you know what, I'm sorry for that heated conversation and all. I hope you will not hold any grudges and you will keep this conversation and everything, my identity within us only. And कुछ ऐसे Instagram में, कुछ ऐसे इंटरनेट में मत छोड़ना. I said कि okay. And ये भी बोल रहा था Instagram में disappearing message, disappearing I think कुछ मैसेज होता है ना, डिसअपियरिंग होता है क्या कुछ मूड में, आई एम फॉरगेटिंग क्या मूड था, ऐसे वैनिश मूड, हाँ वैनिश मूड पे करके स्वाइप अप करके बात कर रहा था कि यू नो डोंट लीक दिस चैट्स एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग. आई होप दिस विल बी बिटवीन अस एंड आई होप वी आर एंडिंग दिस विद अ गुड नोट एंड वी आर नॉट गोना एक्सटेंड इट. कुछ कंट्रोवर्सीज एंड ऑल नहीं होगा. आई एटलीस्ट प्लीज़ ये कर देना काइंडली, डोंट होल्ड ग्रजेस. आई सेड कि वेल ओके, आई एम अ कैंसर with a Libra moon, of course, why not? I said कि yeah, sure, okay, I understand. He's like, you know, it's about my career, you know, these professions. I hope it will not stain my profession, like the heated conversation we had. I said ठीक है छोड़ो चलो, it's okay. I said कि yeah, sure, okay, it's nothing gonna be there. Then of course he blocked me and I blocked him back on Instagram, and it's the second time a celebrity, a well-known face, blocked me on Instagram with such spicy experience we had after this experience. Yeah, of course, don't ask me who he was, because of course I can't tell you. Like it's a होता है like ऐसे कुछ, you know, like I can't. It's not about the अरे क्या हुआ बोल ही देती हूँ, like betray what he, कौन सा वो उसे पता चलेगा and all. But I just feel no matter what, he is a human doing well in his professions. So out of humanity, out of normal human being, he had asked me something, so I will keep it. Why won't I, right? So yeah, चलो आज का gossip इधर ही खत्म होता है and we will again meet on another gossip session. I have more gossips to give you, my darlings, so let's just say we will meet soon and stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel and of course like it, share it and comment below anything, like yeah, anything, just comment यार. कुछ तो बातें करते कमेंट्स में, मैं भी बैठी रहती हूँ कि कब कमेंट आएगा. आई विल रिप्लाई टू ईच ऑफ देम. वी कैन गॉसिप देयर. अरे मेरे कमेंट बॉक्स है, चलो ये चैनल भी गॉसिपिंग का, तो कुछ तो गॉसिप करते हैं ना कमेंट बॉक्स में. लेट्स connect with each other. Yeah. So bye, and I will meet you soon. See you soon.